different scenery. I'm actually in the bathroom and I actually have to be somewhere within like the next 2 hours. So I'm gonna try to get ready as quickly as possible. But this is pretty much going to be my like quick, I need to get out the door like right now ASAP makeup routine. Sorry if I'm a little raspy. I don't know what is wrong with my voice. Like it just like left out of nowhere. So lately I've been using this new technique because I have super duper oily skin, maybe because of the humidity, no idea. But as many of you know, I do live in Florida, so it is super duper humid over here. I'm gonna use my Dermablend loose setting powder, and I'm just gonna put that in the areas that I usually like have the most issues with oil, which is around my T-zone, around my nose, my chin, honestly kind of everywhere. It's like really bad. Now I'm gonna go on with my Born This Way foundation. This is by Too Faced and it's in the color Mocha. And blend that in with my fingers real quickly before I go on with the sponge. I'm gonna go on with this Real Technique sponge. It's already cleaned and it's a little damp. And I'm gonna blend everything together. Now I'm gonna go on with this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the color Tan Sand, and I'm just gonna put that under my eyes, under my nose, on my chin. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that Dermablend. I'm just gonna apply that exactly where I applied my concealer. We're gonna bake for a little bit because I don't need any oil or any creases coming through. I mean, I don't really have that many creases, but you know what I mean. I'm going in with this MAC powder in the color, oh my goodness, I have no idea what this color is. Oh no, in the color C7. And I'm going to set my foundation. Lately I've been contouring before my eyebrows. I don't know why, it just has been working for me lately. So I'm gonna go in with this Black Radiance contour kit. I freaking love this, like it's so good. I'm just gonna quickly contour. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna contour my nose with that same Black Radiance palette. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my crease just to give it a little bit depth. I don't want it to look flat. I'm gonna dip into this Anastasia contour kit and I'm gonna use this orangey blush color and just put some color into my cheeks. That may have been a little too much. I'm grabbing this MAC Oh Darling highlighter and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight a little bit. Actually not a little bit, like a lot of bit. Because I love highlight. I'm gonna do my nose. A little bit on my brow bone. Some mascara. I'm really not picky with mascara. I just use anything that's either on sale. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes. I'm gonna pop some highlight in my inner corners. The lighting in here is so bad. This is lip liner, but I'm using a brush because I cannot find the sharpener. I'm gonna apply this nudie pink lipstick. I have no idea who this is by. Anybody who knows me knows I love hoop earrings. I don't care how big they are. Freaking love. Alright, and this is the finished product. This literally took 20 minutes. Wow. I freaking love this. Some people may think this is too much for every day, but this is what I personally do every day. But thank you for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you guys want me to, make more videos, or if you have any suggestions. Don't forget to follow me on all of my socials, which will be linked down below.